Eu não sei onde é que eu tô. Qual é o número que eu tô?
911, where's your emergency?
Hello, I know speak English very good, okay?
Okay.
My car, icy, broken.
Are you on?
Em
Okay, are you on the interstate?
Van Buren.
Okay, it looks like you're on the interstate. Is that correct?
Why? Sorry.
Okay. All right. Did you slide off the road, or did you have an accident?
Yes, accident. Yes.
Okay. Are there any injuries?
Address in Van.
Is anybody hurt?
1 minute. Como é que eu vou usar o tradutor, imbecil? Sem localization, 1 minute. Van Buren.
Okay, but are you hurt? Are you bleeding or anything?
Why?
Are you hurt at all?
No hurt.
No hurt? Okay.